All right, the way you know how far where to put your hands, just put them by your side, then grab the bar. Okay, just comfortably right by your side. So they're by her side, and then you grab the bar, shoulders back and down, hip, knee, ankle lined up, feet straight, bend your knees, abs tight, hold that bar nice and tight, okay? Now, you're going to let it just hang on your leg, and then come up and squeeze your trapezius muscles. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Her elbows are slightly bent, and she's shrugging backward. You see that? And her face is straight, her chin is not in or outward. It's nice and comfortable. You're shrugging upward, but in a backward motion. So you come up and you squeeze. This is very good for posture. Go ahead, hold it tight. Try not to move your elbows. Keep them stiff, but elbows slightly bent. Okay, you don't want them locked. And hold the barbell nice and tight.